Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet a single crochet stitch. This technique is perfect for adding to your project. So, grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. First, insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch while your hook is still in the stitch. You should have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on your hook. Your first single crochet stitch is now complete. If you are adding more rows, simply continue single crocheting into each stitch of previous row. Make sure your tension remains even to keep your stitches uniform. This will give your project a polished look. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.